Bollywood star Salman Khan, who has arrived in Jodhpur to appear before a court where he faces charges of killing 2 endangered black-buck deer. As the actor is also accused of holding an expired weapons license with which he allegedly killed the 2 animals back in October 1998. He was arrested 15 days later and released on bail. Last May, the Rajasthan High Court directed the trial court to resume hearings after rejecting the prosecution's plea for a revision of charges. Devankar Wadhawan now joins us live from Jodhpur for more on this story. Salman Khan making an appearance in court after, not showing up the previous occasions.
Well, Pierre, Salman Khan is expected to arrive at the Jodhpur court at around 11 today. There is heavy police presence already in the court premises. Salman Khan has already come out of the Jodhpur airport along with his sister. He is expected, as I mentioned, around 11. Now, the case dates back to 1998. Salman Khan has been accused of illegally keeping weapons with him beyond their expiry date, and this case also relates to the black-buck poaching case on which trial had already been going on Salman Khan. The court had even earlier summoned Salman Khan, but because of his certain reasons that had been put forth by his counsel, Salman Khan was not present on those occasions. But today, for sure, Salman Khan would be arriving out here. We have spoken with his counsel. They have mentioned that Salman Khan would surely be coming at the Jodhpur court and making his presence available before the magistrate, before the Chief Judicial Magistrate of the Jodhpur court. All through, Salman Khan and his counsel have been pleading innocence. They have been mentioning that they are not responsible for keeping those weapons beyond their expiry date. They're not responsible for the killing of the black buck, and along with the other actors, he was not present on the alleged site of the crime. Pierre?
Dev, the other part of this story, of course, is the prosecution's earlier attempts to try and create a revision of charge or to revise charges that the actor faced. Tell us why the court had, the High Court in Rajasthan had rejected those charges.
Sure, Pierre, what had happened is that the prosecution had mentioned that Salman Khan is guilty of killing those black bucks. In fact, the Bishnoi community, which are considered extremely close to the black buck species, they had mentioned that they had cited Salman Khan at the site of the crime, and that is why he should be charged with the crime of killing those black bucks and not just be complicit in the entire crime. Those were the arguments that were put forth by the prosecution's side. In fact, he had even been sentenced to 1 year imprisonment in one of the cases, but the matter went up to the High Court and currently is pending at the High Court's level. Pierre?
Okay, Dev, many thanks for that. As you mentioned, 11 o'clock is when Salman Khan is scheduled to appear in court. We'll track events with you once he appears.